Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add DoorDash to CarPlay. Now the first thing I want you to do is open your phone settings, scroll all the way down, and then click here on apps. Now I want you to just search for Dasher, so just scroll down. Once you find Dasher, tap on it, and then click on under Allow Dasher to access, click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure all of these are toggled on. As you can see, you will allow suggestions and content from Dasher to appear in the screen. Now I want you to slide down and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. You can hold on this and see the different devices. Now you can just connect to your car, and after you've done that, you've connected it with Bluetooth. The Dasher app should automatically show up in the list of apps available on the CarPlay screen, and the Dasher app will display on the CarPlay screen accordingly as well. Okay, that's literally all you have to do. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.